Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. We're back with the Ferrari Magazine collection. This is number 17. We are looking at the, now I will confirm this, I think it's the 166mm. There we go, 166mm. And what we're going to do is we'll have a close look at the 143 scale car at the end. But I will go through the magazine to show you what you do get in this particular issue, and then we'll have a close look at the car and put it on the turntable. So inside this issue is the factory Ferrari 250 GT Boano. Not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly, but the next one is the competition models is the 166mm of 1948. Wow, that's 1948. Single seater, the first race winner for 4 seasons, the 412 T1B. Talking about the Formula 1, and the 166mm is the poster, the Queen of the Mile Miglia. Miglia? Melee? I'm not sure how to, I'm not good with the languages. A factory Ferrari, 1956, well before the last 250 GT Coupe of the first series had been delivered. Pininfarina unveiled the second series of the model produced by Caruso, yeah, okay, that guy. And the car can be considered the first Ferrari built using assembly line methods. We do get a few of these. I say it every episode. Any of the cars that are displayed in here, we do get a model of them. So that will be coming up. Very nice. Engine is fitted with into the power plant, fitted into the 250 GT Boano was a classic 60-degree V12 that was the development of the original unit for the 1952 250S, supplied in 2 forms, identified as the 128B and the 128C. This V12 included a number of important improvements over the original, such as reinforced bearings and a strengthened crankshaft. Compared to the racing coupes of the middle years of the 250 lineage, the key differences were in the cam shafts and their profiles. Finally, the ignition was controlled by a single distributor, which was connected to the left-hand camshaft. All right, so we were looking at the 60-degree V12, 2.953.21 cc, so round that up to a 3 litre, 210 brake horsepower, 6,800 RPM. Maximum speed of 250 kilometers an hour or 155 mile an hour. Produced between 56 and 57, and there were 90 models of them. And I believe that they're worth an absolute pretty penny nowadays. All right, the 166mm from 1948. It's a nice looking little car. Little too. Well, large bonnet area. Most successful Barchetta, or Barchetta, I think it's Barchetta. Although built to meet the requirements of racing drivers, the interior of the 166mm included some elegant details such as a steering wheel, an inlaid wood dashboard with leather finish. Because of course you do. If you want to have a look at these, you can pause the video, but we'll have a quick look at the poster. In my opinion, that actually looks like it's out of focus. Or it's a painting. Could be a painting. Still looks a little blurry. Also have a racing picture there. Very nice. The engine in this one, the 60-degree V12. 1.995, so 2 litre V12. Wow, 140 brake horsepower at 6,600 RPM. Maximum speed of 220 kilometers an hour, 137. And about 50 touring bodies were made. Okay. So the 1949 MM honours for the 166mm was first at the Miglia, Luxembourg GP first, Le Mans 24 Hour first, Spa First Circuit de Senegal, first Circuit de Triste. I'm not sure what happened at first. So a bunch of firsts in 1950 as well. 6 firsts, and 53 got a first as well. Coupe de Spa. Nice. Berger and Tot End of the Famine. Yes, back when Ferrari finally came back and started winning again. The 412T1 was a single-seater that featured innovations in both aerodynamics and mechanical aspects, including the first gearbox made of titanium. After 6 Grand Prix in the 1994 season, the revised 412T1B was introduced and went on to provide Ferrari with its first F1 win since 1990. Yeah, I think I got a model car, that one. Or more than one. Alright, engine on this one is a 65-degree V12, a 3.5 litre or 3.497.96cc to be exact. 280 brake horsepower at 15,000 RPM with an unknown top speed and an unknown number produced. First Ferrari to win for 58 Grand Prix. Nice. So in 94, Alesi was third in the Brazilian, Berger second in the Pacific, Larini second in the San Marino, Berger third in the Monaco, Alesi third in Canada, Berger third in the French, Alesi second in the British, and Berger first in the German. Second in the Italian was Berger, a third Alesi in Japan, and second Berger in Australia. So it was getting up there. Next model, number 27, the F1 126C2 model. I've got that one coming up in the next episode. We'll have a look at that next week. But first, let's have a look at this model in more detail. You got your knock-on caps for the spoked wheels. I think they're actually quite well detailed. I like all of these Ferraris models on these. So all our dials are in there with a chrome or silver surround on them. We've got a wooden steering wheel, gear shifter, black knob. We've got our leather seats, and they're a little bit loose. Very nice. Not much on the rear end of that, is there? No license plate. A couple of exhausts. We actually do have. They run all the way down with our name and stuff on here. I think these are well done models, these. Having a look at the front. Got a decent grille there. I'm glad it's got a black shadow behind it rather than just straight silver and not looking right. But these are, let's check. Yeah, they're painted black. Not actually an indentation there, but well done. Cute little windows on these. Try not to drop anything on them. May have trouble reproducing those, including the one mirror in the middle. Nice car. I will put that on the turntable. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back next week with the Formula 1 that I showed a moment ago. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.